Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great day today. Thank you for checking out my channel. And for those of you already subscribed, welcome back, okay? But for those of you that's here for the first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload new videos, guys, okay? I'm back today because I just want to show you one of the methods that I use to get leads into my business. I talk about that all the time, and that's the key, guys. I know everybody want to get to the money, but guess what? You got to get leads first. So you need to focus on lead generation, okay? Leads, okay? And then let the leads go into your system and let your system do all the heavy lifting for you, the selling and telling, so you don't have to explain that. And the system will show a video. The systems will follow up with an email on your behalf, okay? And then from there, you will get the sales, okay, over time. So start out with your focus on leads. That is the key, okay? So at any rate, I am pushing my Easy One Up. I'm doing a relaunch for my Easy One Up business, which is a digital, basically a digital, what we call an online digital franchise business of e-learning courses, okay? Easy One Up has been around 3 years as of next month, okay? So it's a solid company, and it has education courses, because the first thing you want to do, and I wish I would have found something like this when I first came online back in 2011, okay? You need to learn, okay? You want to be educated on what you're doing, and this is how you're going to get to the next level, okay? You got to have education. Just as you have education in your career, this is required in the online space as well, okay? So Easy One Up gives you the education, okay? Gives you education. Shows you how to make money online with these courses. So at any rate, I'm pushing this business. I've been in for, I guess, 2 years now, maybe 1 or 3 years. But at any rate, I want to show you one of the methods I talk about all the time about traffic, solo ads, and things of that nature. So this is one of the methods, and I want to show you it is working. And I'm going to show you this source that I have, okay, that you can use to get traffic to your capture page as well, okay? So this is for my Easy One Up business. So let's go over, and I'm going to show you this. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. I'm waiting for my page to load up. Hang on a second. Give me a minute. Give me a second and we'll go over there. By the way, this is one of the pages that I have that brands me. Okay, let's go over. All right, this is one of my sources, guys. I want to show you, okay, with a budget of 50 bucks, okay? With $50, if you can do that every week or every 2 weeks, however your payment is with your job, just add that budget in, okay? So whether you get paid weekly or every 2 weeks, however that is, okay, look at least 50 bucks. If you can do 100, that's great, okay? But I'm just showing you the minimum 50 bucks. You can get 100 visitors at 80% tier 1 traffic over to your website, okay? At least 50, okay? And I'm going to show you this does work. I've been doing this for quite some time, but I'm just showing you guys one of the sources, and then I'm going to show you some of the results that I've got from doing this. And this is how you build your list very quickly. This is how you get targeted people that's interested. You don't have to bug your friends and family, okay? This is how you get targeted people to go to your website, okay, consistently. You can't do this one time and say, oh, well, I didn't get a sale. Okay, so let's throw that out the window. That's not what we're doing here. What we're doing is getting leads, okay? Remember, that's what I'm talking about. Getting leads. Build leads. They go into your funnel where they have to put their name and email into your capture page, okay? That's what we're talking about. So to do that quickly, this is one of the methods that I use, okay? Is I buy solo ads, okay? And I do this consistently. You can't do it one time and expect something to happen. It may not happen the second time, but the point is you're getting the leads. Don't worry about the sales, okay? Don't worry about the money. What we want to do is build your list and start getting leads, okay? So for a minimum of 50 bucks, this is at the 80%. Now I'm going to show you the prices as we go up for the more top tier. Okay. Okay, so see your goal, which is the next level up. Okay, 90% tier. Okay, so for $10 more, okay, you're going to get 90% tier. Okay, which is more of your English speaking countries. Okay, which is what I highly recommend. 100% if you can do it, and I'll show you the price. It's only $10 more. Okay, so again, $60 will get you 100 visitors to your site, or 200 will get you 118, guys. Okay. Now, let's go up to the next level. Okay, I'm going to show you that one. So with this one, you get 100% top tier. Okay. So for $70, guys, $70, you get 100 visitors over to your website. For $138, you get 200. These are some great prices, okay? Again, this is how I build my list, and all these leaders out here. You build your list with leads, okay? So you're going to get your targeted leads over to your link, okay? So this is a source I'll share with you. Now let me show you some of the results. And again, you can get started with this one, this package, low as $50 if that's what, your budget will allow, okay? So let me show you what I'm doing with that traffic. Okay, this is the page that I'm using for this particular campaign, guys. See how newbies are making 100 a day with a smartphone. Can you copy and paste? And it shows you what? A phone. Okay, and all I'm asking for is their name and email. So I purchased some of that solo traffic. I just showed you the price points. Okay, now let me show you my email. Okay, hang on a second. All right, as you can see, take a look. Okay, so my traffic is flowing. Okay, as you can see right here, I have 48. Oh, this thing is in my way. 48. See if I can do it from this side. I have 48 opt-ins right here, and you can see they're trickling in still. Okay, and guess what? Right here, I had 3 callbacks, requests for callbacks. On this page, I'm going to show you. It has a place for people to request a callback. So I ran that traffic. Now I started out with just 100 because I want to test this particular page. And as you can see, okay, out of 100, so far, look, 48, and then there's 13 and 3 that's trickling in. So half have opted in, just about, right? Okay, and looks like there's 3 callbacks. Okay, so this method works. 3 people have said, hey, call me back. This looks great. Now let me show you the page that has that on there. Hang on a second. Okay, so I showed you that page, right? Which is this page. Okay, this is the page they see, and then they opt in. Okay. When they opt in, they get this page. Okay, so this page is promoting the SMS phone leads right here. If you click this, it takes you to the SMS phone leads. If you go down further, it gives you the E1U
if you're watching this.
Okay, so see, I'm getting 2 for 1. So if they click here, it goes to SMS phone leads. That could be 20. And they watch this, it goes to Easy One Up. Then I have my Press 1 cash number right here too. You see? Now, down here it says who I am. They can see my name, number, and here it says submit a callback. Okay? So, that's the method. Okay? That's the method I'm using. Promoting a page. You buy your traffic over here. Okay? You pick a package. So, $70 got me 100 unique clicks, and I got top tier. Okay? $70. That's it, guys. And I sent them over here, okay, to this page. So this is how you do your business. So you buy your solo traffic. You have your capture page in place. My system is going to do all the selling and telling. This page, this video. That's why somebody said they wanted a call back. 3 people wanted a call back because it was compelling. Okay. So you have to understand that, guys. You've got to put your systems in place where they do the selling and telling for you. So when someone calls you, it's easy breezy. And that's what I like about these 100% commission programs. Okay, I don't mind speaking to people when I get to keep 100% of my commission, because remember, with Easy One Up over here, okay, there's several levels to this program. Okay, you got your 25, your 100, your 250, your 500, your 1,000, your 2,000, and all that you keep because it's 100% commission. You don't have to split it with anyone. Okay, so I don't mind answering the calls and you know, taking the questions. Okay, now I've got a great bonus, so you want to come in at least at the Elevation Elite $100 level. It's only going to be $110. Okay, I don't recommend the 25 simply because I just showed you your traffic is going to cost you at least $50, right? You have to pay, okay? You have to spend some advertising costs, guys. Yes, there's free methods out here, social media and all those things, and they can work as well. But if you want speed, the paid advertising is going to be the best choice, okay? The paid advertising is going to be your best choice. So for as low as $50, which is what I showed you up here, remember? 50 or 60, okay? 60 would be great, but if all you have is 50, go with that. But if you can do more, that's even better, guys, okay? 200, send 200 people over, okay? So that's what you want to do. So join me at Easy One Up. So you see what I mean? So you don't want to come at the 25 because you're going to spend more advertising. You're only going to make $25. So you're already in the negative, okay? So it makes sense to come spend $110, get you some traffic, even if it's the $50 or $60 traffic. Okay, keep pushing that weekly if you can, or bi-weekly, however you get paid with your job. Okay, pick one of those packages and just know in your mind, you know, every payday I'm going to spend 50, or I'm going to spend 60, or I'm going to spend 100, whatever it is you're going to do, and you're going to keep sending people over to your page like this, whatever capture page you want to select. You do this over and over and over and over, okay? Rinse and repeat. These leads are going to come in. They're going to keep looking at this system. It's all numbers, okay? Eventually, they will sign up. You got the system following up with them on your behalf, okay? System is following up with them, sending out the autoresponder email as well with this system that I have. You can you can also broadcast yourself as well, okay? So great way to get started. So spend $110 at least. If you have more, that's the bigger commissions you're going to make. It's not about me, it's about you. Do you want to just make $100? Do you want to make $250? Do you want to make $500? Do you want to qualify to receive those commissions? Okay? That's what it's about. With Easy One Up, your first sale you keep. So you're going to get your money back on the first sale. Okay? It's a one-up comp plan. The first sale you keep, the second sale you pass up. All right? So get started with one of these instant pay programs, and you're learning as well because you're getting educated with all this training right here. Okay? So with that being said, guys, I will see you on the next one. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload. Okay? I look forward to working with each and every one of you. Till next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.